All right, welcome. We are at 4526 Serenity Trail in Palm Harbor, Cypress Hill subdivision. Not Cypress Hill, the rap group, in case you were wondering that. All right, let's check it out here. We got a 3,000 plus square foot home, 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms. Adjust. 3 full bathrooms, a pool, an upstairs office space that's 16 by 20, another office right here behind me, full open kitchen with living room. It's a great house. 1 owner, custom built. Let's check it out here. This is that office we were talking about. There's some stuff I had scattered around earlier. Over here we have what I believe they call a sitting area. But really it could be whatever you want. You could easily put a gate here if you wanted to keep your dog at home and not have it chew everything up, or keep your kids at home and not have them chew everything up either. All right, walking over here we have the laundry area, top load washer dryer, extra closet. There's a lot of closets in this house. We have a 3-car garage. We have a big door, a big double door, and then over here, room for a 3rd car. So if you don't want to make the whole door go up, just the small door, 2 doors. That's what I'm getting at. But it's 3-car garage. This is a big Yukon, so obviously if you have a big vehicle, it will fit in here. All right, we got the kitchen. I love kitchens that you can cook, be hanging out, watch the game. People are doing stuff, you can see everything. You can look at your kids in the pool, make sure nobody's like. All right, here's the kitchen. It's big. Stove, microwave, fridge, washing machine, plenty of counter space for that meal prep, so you can be getting those New Year's gains. One thing that's cool, they have extra outlets everywhere. Plenty of cupboard space, plenty of room for all your salsa dishes. All right, we have one of the bedrooms over here, currently used as a home office. All right, one thing that is unique about the bedrooms in this house, besides the master bedroom, which is an entirely different situation, all the bedrooms were pushed out 2 feet. Plus, they've got the window seat. Got another bedroom over here. These closets are pretty cool. Let me open this guy up. So obviously, we have tall ceilings, right? In the closets, they're not capped, so you'll see that there's quite a lot of additional storage up there. Official? Do I sound weird? I'm trying to talk like I normally just talk. Hopefully that's how I'm coming across. I don't know. All right, let's get a shot of the kitchen living room combo. These are real hardwood floors, not laminate, and they're in fantastic shape. All right, we're into the master right now. Into the master. It's got sliding doors out to the pool. Down the hall here is closets on either side, and keep coming into the bathroom. We've got a walk-in, his and her sinks. Come out here, enjoy your cocktail, hang out with the kids, slam dunk the basketball, grill your dinner, call it a night. Screened in. I think this might be locked. Yeah, that's locked. But we'll see on the other side of that door. That's the 3rd bathroom. So your kids don't contaminate the pool, because we all know everybody does it. Here we go. And this is the 4th bedroom. All right, upstairs, I have to check to see if I can go up there because he runs a business and he has an employee and they're working upstairs still right now. So I'm gonna go check it out and I'll come back down.
Chuck, I do.
Is that all right?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Okay. They're busy making a living up here, so we'll be quick. But this room is like a 16 by 20 room, actually 16 by 24, I think. It's a nice space. It's surround sound and it's fully insulated floor with like soundproofing. So if you have kids, they're having sleepovers, parties up here, it's nice and quiet, or you turn it into another bedroom. So we're all done here. Let's have a seat in the sitting room, talk it over. It is 3,020 square feet, recap here. We've got 4 bedrooms, we've got 3 full bathrooms. There is an actual office, and then the upstairs room that we saw last, that could be a 5th bedroom. It could be an office, it can be a playroom. We have a pool with multiple entrances from a bathroom, from a master. We've got a 3-car garage, triple wide driveway. It's a great home. It's only been one owner. It's been well taken care of. And it's gonna be your home next. Not just waiting for its next owner. Now it's waiting for the next family that's gonna love it as much as they did. And now it's your turn. Give me a call and come check it out. Have a good day.